I'm thinking air fried chicken. Hey folks, welcome back. Hey, I'm gonna give this thing another go here. I'm gonna do some air fried chicken. We're actually gonna bread this one up and get her on here and see if we can't get some nice crispy fried chicken thighs. Let's get going, guys. Okay folks, we're gonna get this started. I'm just using some Weber kicking chicken seasoning. That's all we're gonna add to this, guys, for now. As far as the seasoning, it's gonna go pretty quick. Wanna keep that skin on there. Chicken thighs are my favorite. Best flavor, the whole chicken right there. Chicken, easily. Found you a gallon Ziploc bag. Put them all in. We're gonna put them in here and let them fall in love with some buttermilk. So we just got some buttermilk. We're gonna fill just enough to cover the chicken. This is going in the fridge for 2 hours, about 2 hours, and I'm gonna go out in the garage and do some man stuff while this falls in love inside here. Okay folks, here's the fun and messy part. We all know that. These are just some a bowl of some Italian style breadcrumbs that I picked up at my local store. There should be plenty of seasoning on this chicken already, but just because I'm here, I'm gonna add just a little bit of this kicking chicken right in here to the breadcrumbs. Not a whole lot. One way to do this, get in here and get messy. We'll try that dry hand, wet hand technique, but we all know how that goes. Just get her well coated, that's all we're doing, guys. Alright, let's let that sit there and get happy for a bit. I'll go ahead and do the rest of these. Okay, here in my misto, I just got some extra virgin olive oil. I'm just going to spray this basket. Just going to get these guys in here the best I can. Try to keep them from touching as much as possible. Let's get this thing heated up. I'm gonna spray the tops of these just a little. Leave that at 400. I'm gonna change my time. I'm gonna start this at 30 minutes. I'm thinking that, I'm not real sure. I'm gonna go at 30 minutes and we'll check this periodically. Get her preheated. See, I'm leaving the baking pan in the bottom down here. I'm hoping that'll help in some cleanup. Let's see how it goes. Put this on pause. Let's get this thing going. We'll check back here in a bit. You can't really see too much in it. We're about 12 minutes in. Everything's going as it looks like it should, so I'm just gonna keep her going, guys. We are just over 20 minutes into this, and I just want to check some temps. Oh, we're going longer. About 120. I need to get these up around at least 165. So we're trucking on though. Looking good, guys. Alright, let's see where we are. Looking at it, I feel like we got a little bit more to go, but we'll throw some temps in there. Don't pour that too far. We got a little bit more to go, guys. 122. I'm gonna spin this around. I don't know if it matters or not. And I'm gonna adjust the time to just 10 more minutes. Let's see what we got here. I believe this one may have just done it. I don't know, can you see that? It's looking really good, guys. Yeah. Let's pull this. Get these out of here. Alright, let's get this on here for you. I'll tell you, it's looking and smelling really good. Let's see how this thing tastes. Alright, we are going in. I think I took care of the crispiness issue. Let's get this going. That is so tasty. Guys, there's so much flavor there. Little heat. I'm gonna tell you that kicking chicken does provide a little heat to the chicken. Use the seasoning of your choice. This I cooked this at 400 degrees for about 40 minutes. It took to get this done. I seen a post earlier. Same cook, chicken thighs was 30 minutes at 400 degrees, and I don't know what the difference was. The only thing I could think of is where you're at, where you're located, the climate, the temperatures, the weather where you are, because that can make a difference. I'm in Louisville, Kentucky. It's a very much an overcast, rainy day. Kind of warm, but very rainy and damp. That could affect your temperatures and cook. So please learn your cooker. That's what I could say there. But this cook is very good, guys. I'm gonna take another bite for you. I solved the crispy chicken thing. That is very good. A little spicy from that kicking chicken. It does make a difference. So guys, thank you. Bringing you another cook here. Love it. I'm having fun with the air fryer. The Emeril air fryer 360. I'm having a blast with it. So guys, thank you. Please hit that like button. If you have not already, please subscribe. And until next time, guys, God bless you. Bye-bye. At 400 degrees in the air fryer setting, right at 40 minutes. Food's done.